hope you all are having a blessed day. It is cool here today. It's in the low 50s and bright blue sky, and it is windy, so the chickens are not pleased, but they'll get through it. So this is a short haul video or a short Happy Mail video. I got a box yesterday from a secret pal. So we're going to open it up together. I've not opened it up at all yet, and I'm very, very excited. The last piece of Happy Mail I got had me crying for quite a while. So let me turn the camera around and we will get to opening this. Okay, I have blackened out. There was a street address, but there's no name. So this I do not know. Who sent it? Aww, how wonderful. What a lovely little note. I don't want to read it because it's personal, but I will treasure it. Now let's see what's in this here box. Oh, this is going to be fun. It says a jelly roll for she who sews panel or maybe potato chip blocks, or, oh, a God loves you. Isn't that sweet? Aww. I just think that's so beautiful. So it's a jelly roll for she who sews panels or maybe potato chip blocks or smile. So I'm going to take this as a challenge. And my goodness, this stuff looks awesome. We'll open that up. Oh, and here's, oh boy, look at this. Love, love, love. This panel you often sew for others, so now you reap. Have a happy day. Okay. Oh heavens, look at this. Heavenly Fabric Shop. Oh, I'll have to check them out. Oh, look at all this. Okay, let's look at all the goodies. Let's take a look at this here jelly roll. Oh my. Oh, these are delightful. Let me move you in a wee bit more. Oh, isn't that awesome? Good old tomato pin cushion. Oh, and a sewing machine. And a dress form. Oh my, and pins. Oh, this is delightful. Threads. Oh, I love this. Goodness gracious, look at those prints. Oh, they're delightful. That is going to be so much fun. Thank you ever so much. Oh, rulers. Oh, look at that. I like those rulers. Oh, and they're all in color. And here's yellows. I love the tape measures. Very nice. And blues. Isn't that pretty? And there's even some greens. Look at that. It's all color, put in color. Oh, and there's greens. And then there's a whole bunch of blacks. Look at those. Oh, they're lovely. Very, very sweet. Thank you ever so much, Secret Pal. Now let's move to this. Let's see, we'll go to this one next. Okay, this panel. Love, love, love this panel. You often sew for others, so now you reap. Have a happy day. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's awesome. Oh, I love that. She who sews. Oh, that's so cool. Let me turn it over and show you the bottom. Oh, isn't that wonderful? Okay, so that's what that says. Let's fold it back over and look at the top. Okay, it says she who sews, and then the bottom says will also reap. That is fabulous. Not sure what's going to happen with that, but that's really cool. I don't do much with panels. I have purchased the I've purchased some of those large flowers, the digital print flowers, and I also got some of the national park panels, but I haven't done anything with them yet. They're really great to help you practice your free motion quilting. So, and they can make fun little wall hangings, or if you need a quick gift for somebody. So those panels are really good to have. And there is one more bag to go through. Put these here. I'll put the note in here and let's see what the next one is. Enjoy, she says. And this is from Heavenly Fabric Shop. Faith-filled fabric, crafts, and supplies and gifts. I will have to check them out. Oh, the joy of the Lord is my strength. How beautiful. Under his wings you will find refuge. Oh, I have goosebumps. Oh, they're beautiful. Oh, and here's another piece. Oh, this is fantastic. I'm going to have to check this store out. This is beautiful. Sing praise, for we are God's masterpiece. Compassion, gratitude, hope, just have faith. Oh, this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful print. Isn't that lovely? You are loved beyond measure. Yes, this is just stunning. I have goosebumps. Getting a little teary-eyed. My goodness. Well, thank you, Secret Pal. This was so wonderful. It was a nice surprise. I needed a nap yesterday, something terrible, and my husband woke me up to tell me that I had gotten a box from a Secret Pal. So I want to thank my Secret Pal so very, very much for thinking of me. And oh, I am so thankful. These are beautiful fabrics, and I'm going to have fun with them. And I want to thank you ever so much for your kindness and for taking the time out of your day and the money out of your pocket to send me something so beautiful and so thoughtful. So thank you ever so much. And I do want to show this to everybody again. You can pause the camera and take a good look at that and write down the website. It's called Heavenly Fabric Shop. Faith-filled fabrics, crafts, supplies, and gifts. And I am definitely going to go check them out to see if they have more fabrics, because this stuff is absolutely beautiful. So I want to thank you all so much for watching. I want to wish you all a wonderful, blessed day, and I will see you back here later in the week with a brand new video. And I'm thinking it's probably going to be for my 1930s Posies series. I'll be looking forward to a new flower block to pop up on my channel on Friday. So thank you ever so much for watching. Thank you so much for your subscribes and your wonderful, wonderful comments. Just make my day fantastic. I will talk to you real soon, and I will see you right back here at 70 Acre Studio with my next project very, very soon. Thanks so much for watching, and God bless.
Good night, Elizabeth.
Good night, John Boy.